Do you want to learn a super easy stitch for blankets? Then crochet along with me and I'll show you how to crochet the bud stitch. I'll break down each step so you can create stunning blankets and scarves with ease. The bud stitch is a very, very pretty stitch. It's super simple to do. It's a very easy one row repeat. It creates a nice, slightly bobbly fabric. It's almost kind of like a mini bobble stitch. It's a very pretty texture and super easy to do. I'm going to be using this Yarnsmith's Pebble Haze double knit and 5mm hook. So I'm going to start with putting a slip knot on my hook. Now this stitch is worked over a multiple of 2, so any even number. So just chain 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on until your piece is as wide as you want it to be. So we're going to start by putting a single crochet in the second chain. So we've got 1, 2, so a single crochet goes in there. And then we're going to put a double crochet in the same stitch. We're going to skip one and then put a single crochet and a double crochet in that next stitch. And we're simply going to repeat this across, so skip the next stitch, single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch, all the way across. So we're at the last 2 stitches, we're going to skip one, single crochet in that last stitch, and double crochet in there as well. We're then going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to start off by putting a single crochet right into that first stitch and a double crochet 2. Now this is the row that we're going to repeat, so we're going to skip 1, that's the single crochet from the previous round, and in this next stitch, the double crochet, we're going to put a single crochet and a double crochet. So skip 1, single crochet and a double crochet all the way across. Now when we get to the end of this row, we're going to finish slightly differently. We're going to put a single crochet into that double crochet, and then we're going to put the double crochet into that next stitch, that last single crochet. This will give you nice straight edges, and then chain 1 and turn, and then we'll just repeat again. So single crochet and a double crochet into that first stitch, skip the next stitch, single crochet and a double crochet, and repeat across, remembering to do your single crochet into that last double crochet and then your last double crochet into that last single crochet. Very, very simple one row repeat. And there you have the bud stitch. So what would you make with this? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love this stitch, then be sure to check out my other stitch tutorials right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.